Hello friends, today I am sharing with you recipe of Danish apple cake. This is very yummy cake and very healthy. We will make it with a whole wheat flour. Okay, so first of all we have to sift the flour. So I am taking 3 by 4 cup wheat flour. I have to sieve it with, I am taking 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda. This is baking soda, and in it we add cinnamon powder. It gives a very yummy taste to it. So 1 by 4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. This is cinnamon powder. दालचीनी पाउडर जो होता है, we have to sift it together very well so that they combine with each other. Like this, they have sifted together. Now keep it aside. Now we will beat milk maid. This is condensed milk. I am taking half tin. This is approximately 200 ml milk maid. I will beat it with the help of beater. I am beating the condensed milk. It should be very smooth. Yes, after beating it will be like this, very smooth. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And again beat it. And then I will add half cup oil, and again I will beat it very well. Now you can see the after beating, this will oil and condensed milk mixture will be like this. Okay, now I will make ready my baking tin. I have oiled it with oil, refined oil, anything, and little bit of maida. Like this, spread it evenly on all sides so that our cake doesn't stick. And I will apply butter paper on it like this. I have cut butter paper in the round shape like this, and I have to cover its edges also. Yes, and our baking tin is ready with butter paper. Now I will mix wheat flour in the oil and milk maid mixture slowly, like this, half at a time, and I will mix it with the help of beater. I am using 1 tablespoon milk. Again beat it, and then I will add the remaining wheat flour. I have beat the wheat flour and oil mixture very well. This is very smooth. I have added 2 tablespoons milk in it. It depends. It should be, the consistency should be like this. Okay. Now I am adding apple. So I have taken chopped apple. I will add to this mixture. First I will coat this apples with the maida. I have coated these apples with maida. This is our apple walnut cake. So it is very important to coat it well with maida. Like this. I will add this to the mixture, and we added also walnuts. These are chopped walnuts, 1/4 cup. Our batter is looking like a little bit thick, so I'm adding 1 more tablespoon of milk. I have added totally 3 tablespoons of milk. We have to just fold it. This is very healthy cake. You can see all the ingredients: wheat flour, apples, walnuts, so it is very healthy for your kids also. Now I will pour it in the tin. Like this. You can see it's smelling so nice. Okay, I will tap it now, and I will make some topping for it. So for the topping, I have taken 1 tablespoon brown sugar. This is brown sugar, walnut, 1 tablespoon walnut, little bit apples, and maida. I have made topping with brown sugar, apples, little bit maida, and walnuts. We will spread on the top of it. Our cake is ready. Guys, if you like my recipe, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for the more recipes. Thank you.